Hi there and welcome to another BlogHandy tutorial on how to add an SEO optimized and beautiful looking blog to your existing website. My name is Uwe, I'm the founder of BlogHandy, and today we're looking at adding a BlogHandy blog to your BigCommerce store. So let's dive right into it. I'm now in my BigCommerce account and I click on Storefront, and the first thing you want to do is you want to go to the native BigCommerce blog section, and you just want to click here on the blog visibility in order to disable it, so you won't see it in your menu bar on your storefront. Next, you want to go to themes and you want to click on customize next to your current theme. So I just click on that. Okay, perfect. So this is my store. I've got only 2 menu points here, and now I click here on the top at page. I click on create new page and I call it my blog. So URL is okay, and I want to show this also in the navigation menu. You won't be able to choose as URL just blog because that is reserved for the native BigCommerce blog, but you could call it blogs, my blog, blog news, news, or anything else. Let's click on create page and our page is created. Perfect. So it's in our menu now, and now what we want to do is we want to go a bit down and we want to take the HTML widget and just drop it here, and that's it. Now here on the left side is the HTML code, and we want to just go to BlogHandy, go to the code snippet and copy the first step, and then go back to BigCommerce and just remove the existing code there and just drop in our code. And then go back to BlogHandy, get the second code, copy it, and then just paste it here. And that's it. Let's click on Save HTML. And you can see it's already loading in the preview here. But let's now publish our blog in our storefront to see it live in action. Publish. Great, it has been published. Let's view our live store. So that's the homepage of our store. And here I click on my blog. It loads a new page we just created with the categories. You can disable that in your BlogHandy account if you don't like it. Here we have our pop grid design. You can change that as well. I'll show you in a minute how. And you click here on the blog post. It loads your blog post. Great. And it takes over the existing style and design of your BigCommerce store beautifully. You've got here your social sharing buttons. You can disable any buttons you don't like. You have here your highlight to share functionality. You can also disable that. And in order to make the back to blog button work, what we want to do now is we want to copy paste the URL of our blog page, so this one, and we want to go to BlogHandy, go to settings, and we want to paste it here under blog URL and just click on save all changes. And now I'll show you in the settings under layout and design. We have all these other beautiful designs. Let's say the modern grid, that is the default design. And you just go back to your BigCommerce store and you refresh it, and it's already refreshed. It instantly changes your blog design as soon as you click on that switch in your BlogHandy account. So if you switch to any of those designs, it just instantly will switch it to those designs. Let's refresh the page, and again your store is instantly switched over. If you're comfortable with CSS, you can go to the bottom of this page and you can do some custom CSS coding to change your design even more. If you're not comfortable with that, just reach out to me and my team, and we are always happy to help you to fully customize the look and feel of your blog and to help you make the most out of your BlogHandy account. Thanks a lot for listening, and if you've got any questions whatsoever, please leave them in the comments below. Happy blogging and bye bye for now.